Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check tagged photos on Facebook. So open the Facebook app and now go in the top right corner of profile icon of Facebook. So just click on the profile icon is you will see the top right corner. So from here you will again click to your username to open the profile icon and a little bit scroll down you will see the photos and just click to the tagged photos. You will see your photos and videos tagged photos, so you can easily find in photos the tagged photos that someone tags you. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.